The landscape of wearable technology is on the verge of a seismic shift, and if you've been waiting for the ultimate justification to upgrade your wrist game, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is shaping up to be exactly that. We are talking about a device that transcends the traditional definition of a smartwatch, moving firmly into the territory of a professional-grade medical and exploration instrument. When Apple first introduced the Ultra lineup, it was a statement piece, a ruggedized, larger, and more capable version of the standard watch designed for those who pushed boundaries. But as we look at the trajectory heading into the latter half of 2026, the Ultra 4 represents something far more significant. It is the convergence of years of miniaturization breakthroughs and advanced sensor integration that we were told was impossible just a few years ago. Let's talk about the display technology, because for an adventurer or a power user, the screen is the primary interface with your digital life. The transition to a more advanced micro-LED implementation in the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is not just about brightness. Though it hitting a new ceiling in outdoor nit levels is impressive, it is about efficiency. For the first time, the architecture allows for a truly always-on experience that doesn't compromise the secondary battery life goals. Imagine trekking for days on end, tracking complex GPS telemetry, and having the display remain perfectly legible without a stutter or a power-hungry refresh rate that drains your watch before the sun sets. This engineering feat is what sets the Ultra 4 apart. It's the seamless integration of hardware and software that ensures your data is there when you need it, and when you don't, the device intelligently shifts to a low-power state that still keeps you connected. Beyond the visuals, the internal sensor suite is where the Apple Watch Ultra 4 truly distances itself from the competition. We have seen rumors and patents for years regarding non-invasive blood glucose monitoring and blood pressure trend tracking. While these are complex medical frontiers, the Ultra 4 is the logical host for the first iteration of these technologies. Apple is not just throwing sensors at the wall to see what sticks. They're building a longitudinal health profile. By combining heart rate variability, blood oxygen, and the new localized skin temperature sensors, this watch acts as a gatekeeper for your well-being. Think of it as a proactive companion that notices subtle shifts in your physiology days before you actually feel the onset of fatigue or illness. This isn't just data for the sake of data. It is actionable insight that is tailored specifically to your body's unique baseline. The battery life has long been the Achilles heel of the premium smartwatch market, but the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is tackling this with a dual-layer approach. It isn't just about packing a larger physical battery into a titanium housing. It is about the power management efficiency of the new S-series chip. By offloading more processing to the neural engine and utilizing a more efficient wireless radio, the device can sustain multi-day usage even with heavy GPS and cellular engagement. This is the holy grail for endurance athletes and backcountry explorers. When you're miles away from a power source, the last thing you want to worry about is whether your watch will last until you reach your destination. The Ultra 4 is designed to be the most reliable piece of kit in your bag, outlasting your phone and, in many cases, outlasting your own physical endurance. Then there is the structural integrity. The titanium used in the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is not just for aesthetics. It is aerospace-grade material designed to withstand extreme temperature fluctuations, high-impact vibrations, and deep water pressure. The refined design of the action button and the digital crown offers better tactile feedback, even when you're wearing thick winter gloves or dealing with wet conditions. It's a design language that screams durability while maintaining the sleek, premium finish that Apple users expect. It feels substantial on the wrist, a constant reminder that you are wearing a tool built for the most demanding environments on the planet.